We're learning how to do it. Welcome to the RV homestead. Of course, we're not out at the homestead. We're still in semi-suburbia. But this is going on the RV homestead channel. We're going to do Dutch oven peach cobbler in the Overmont Dutch oven. This is an 8-inch Dutch oven. We're actually going to use charcoal. So rather than using the oven in the house, and this is the first time for us to do this. We've never made cobbler in the Dutch oven with charcoal, so we're gonna give it a shot. And Yappy says, "Oh, that's a simple thing to do." Maybe the recipe part of it is, but we've never baked in that. We'll see how that comes out. And we'll let her show you what she's going to do on her side, and then you see what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to use. I've been studying, been watching a lot of YouTube videos. We're going to use the +3 method. Since this is an 8-inch Dutch oven, we're going to use. We're going to add 3 coals to that, so that'll give us 11 coals on the top. Charcoal time.
It's not going to take long. That's heated up by now, a little bit for the butter.
We'll find out. Move your batter.
Yeah, go ahead and set that. There it goes. Okay. Put that batter on top. Because that's got to be melted. Nice. Yeah, I know. Well, not for what that is, but yeah. Needs to be a little bit bigger. But it's a little pot.
The handle needs to be 6 inches longer.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel it.
You're putting your hand that close. It's hot.
So use that too. Yeah. Back up, Ziva.
So what do we have?
So
What's in here?
peaches, cut up canned peaches. You can use frozen vegetable fruit. We can use frozen fruit. They had blueberries in the example we saw, but I had canned peaches that I needed to get rid of. And dude likes peaches. And then of course we have 1 cup flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup. They said you could put milk. Heavy cream is better. I only could get half and half because it's Easter Sunday. And then you're going to see the rest. We're going to sprinkle a cup, 1/4 of a cup more of sugar on top of the fruit after we're done. They actually put a little bit of Moscato in that batter just to offset the twang of the blueberries. But we're using peaches. I put a little bit of Chardonnay because I didn't have Moscato. Anyway, we're going to see how this turns out. I'm really excited. And dude loves peach cobbler.
I do.
You got it? You want me to do it? Don't do that because you're blowing it over here.
Well, I'm trying not to get it in the pot.
It's all right. We're good now. We're not going to have to do it again after this. Yep, that's what we needed. This is what's going to... Make sure you have a spatula that's heat resistant. This is. Dude, will you hold that? Just hold that over it, okay? It's all right. Just hold it over the pot, maybe. We don't want to lose any of that goodness. Because they said this was really good, and I'm excited to find out. Okay, dude, put it on top in here. Okay? Now. That looks good, doesn't it?
It does.
See, I cut extra, but we may not use all these. 2 cups of fruit. I actually put a little bit of the juice in here too, so I added a little bit of extra flour. That's enough, don't you?
No, you can never have enough peaches.
Yeah, it'll be okay. It'll burn out. All right. A little bit of sugar. I'm not going to use as much because these are already, well, these are actually not sugared. They said put a little 1/4 cup of sugar on top. I think that's enough. Okay, let's do it. That's it. 45 minutes at 400. There we go. You got it, dude. There we go.
Now we wait. I'm gonna rotate this 90 degrees. And I just actually did that. And then we're going to rotate this, the opposite, the lid, the opposite direction. That way we don't have hot spots. It's looking good.
Okay. We don't need it.
I have to add a few more pieces of charcoal. We're burning down. All right, we'll be back. We are ready to do a check.
I smell it.
It smells good.
Smells good. It should be. It's got enough sugar in it. Oh, it's not there yet. Okay, wait. The dog is right behind you.
I'm not putting it down.
Put it back. Ooh.
Take a shot. Look.
We have it. We got it.
All right.
Ooh. Nummy. Yay. Let's do it.
You sure?
I love it. Oh, it's not quite brown yet. We're going to have to put more on top. Hang on. Hang tight. Oh, let me get it. Let me put that back on top. We might need to put more on top and none on the bottom. That's what I'm thinking now. Because, okay, so the bottom is done. It's a top issue now. See?
Okay.
Should we flip it?
No.
No? I think we might. It's burning. I think it wouldn't hurt.
I'll pull the coals off the bottom and we'll put them on the top.
I think we flip it.
Okay.
You game?
Really?
I think we have to. I don't think
All I have to do is pull the heat off the bottom.
Okay, well, we're good.
It's done.
It's done. It's basically there. That'll take care of it. It's fine. Yeah. There we go. That's so hot. Yep, just let that go. Okay, good. It'll be fine. We can throw it in the oven if we had to.
Which I don't know why I'm doing that. You flipped it over, so now
Exactly.
I'm putting heat on.
We'll put it back up. It'll be fine. We'll be done here in a minute. We'll just,
We're learning how to do it. We're ready to take another look.
oh, we're done. Pull it up. We gotta do it. We need to pull it off.
Okay. Awesome.
Yep, pull it off. We're done. Woohoo! I think we might need to take the lid off too. Just put it down and take the lid off.
Go on, dude.
Let it cool down. Yeah, just let it. We're done. Let it.
So we are golden brown. We did the flip. We're new at this. I thought we could probably adjust the heat by taking the coals off, but she wanted to flip it. We're undecided.
It needed it. And this is new cast iron, so it needed some seasoning. It's okay. It's gonna taste good with ice cream. It'll be fine.
Well, it's gonna be good. Round two will be even better.
Woo!
Yum. I don't know what it tastes like. What I do know, we should have pulled it a little earlier than we did. But we're learning. Hold on. There you go. We got a little bluebell ice cream, so that's gonna make it all right. No, it actually is really good. It's just sticking to the pan. Pretty good, but it was overcooked. We left it on there a little too long, but that's part of the learning process. If you put enough bluebell on it, it'll be all right. It'll be good. We are in agreement. We should have pulled it at that point where we flipped it over, because it was actually done at that point, but we kind of we didn't know we didn't know what we didn't know. You never know what you don't know, and this was a learning process for us. So it was overdone, and the end result, everything was really chewy. Taste was great. The taste was great. The texture was a little overbearing, but that's on us because we've never done this before, and we learned a great lesson. You too can become a Dutch oven chef. Yeah. All it takes is practice and not being afraid of failure. We will do this again, and we will share it with you again. If this is your first visit to the RV Homestead, we would be most honored if you would consider clicking on that subscribe button. It really helps more than you know. And for those of you who have already subscribed, thank you. We are most honored. That's why we overcook our cobbler. It's for you. That way you know how to overcook a cobbler. And for our patrons, we are most grateful. Don't have a cover. I shouldn't be saluting. Thank you so much. We appreciate your support. Y'all come back now, you hear?